Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see Instagram posts you have liked in 2022. When you open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Open main menu, tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, select your activity. Then go to interactions. Select likes. Here you should see all the Instagram posts that you have liked. Also, you can sort and filter. Tap on this option. Select sort by newest to oldest or oldest to newest. Then tap apply. And also you can filter by data. Again, tap on sort and filter. Then tap start data. Select start data and tap on end data, and then tap done and tap apply here. If you want to unlike any of these posts, just open any post you have liked, for example this one, and then tap on unlike.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.